we are going to play a game called as dice snake or string of dice. Okay. The game is you should select a die from first 6 dice. Okay, any of the first 6 dice. You choose a die in your mind. Don't tell me which die you choose. Suppose if you select this die, it has 6. So you will count 6 places from next die. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it has 5, so you will count 5 places from next die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 1, so 1. Okay, continue in this way. Suppose if you come here, okay, now you don't have 6 dice to count, so this will be your last die. So you start from any of the first 6, you do your counting and you remember your last die. But don't tell me your first or the last die, neither the first nor the last. You count in your mind, and if you think that I know this sequence, if you wish to shuffle, you can shuffle the dice. Should I shuffle them? Okay. Now you choose a die and start counting, and just tell me that your counting is done and I will guess your last die directly. Done? This was your last die? Yeah? What do you think? What's the logic? I read your mind, or what did I do? Okay. You tell me from where you started. Okay. So for this was the end. Actually, for all the 6, this is going to be the end. We'll check for others also, okay? We'll check for this 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1. Actually, for all the 6, end will be the same every time. See, these are 40 dice. So for 40 dice, if we play this game 100 times, 87 times first 6 will convert to the same die. Why 87? That I'll tell you. In the set of 6 dice, you started from this die, right? So I can be wrong 5 times in this set, right? If I start with any of these 5, I can be wrong. So my probability in this set of being wrong is 5 by 6. And in one set, I skip 3.5 dice on an average. Why 3.5? Because average of first 6 numbers is 3.5. So on an average, in one set, we skip 3.5 dice. And these are 40 dice. So total number of jumps will be 40 by 3.5. And in one jump, I am skipping 3.5 dice. And in that jump, I have probability of making mistake as 5 by 6. So at every jump, that probability of mistake will be multiplied. Right? So my overall probability of making mistake will be 5 by 6 raised to 40 by 3.5. Because that many times it will be multiplied. So my probability of success will be 1 minus that number. Because we say P dash is equal to 1 minus P. And that number 1 minus 5 by 6 raised to 40 by 3.5 is nearly equivalent to 0.87. Which is very high. So that's why I say that 87% times I have the success. And if we increase the number of dice, say 50, for 50 dice probability will be 92%. So larger the number of dice, greater will be the probability.
For 30 dice?
For 30 dice probability will decrease. If we decrease the number of dice, probability will decrease.